Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to another exciting journey through the vibrant streets of Amsterdam. Today, we're diving into a question that every savvy traveler asks at some point. How much is a meal in Amsterdam? Now, I get it. You want to make sure you're budgeting right for your culinary adventures in this incredible city. Amsterdam, with its charming canals and eclectic atmosphere, is a foodie's dream. So let's break it down for you. Local gems versus tourist traps. When it comes to meals, the price can vary depending on where you dine. Amsterdam is teeming with local eateries that serve up delicious meals at reasonable prices. Steer clear of the crowded tourist spots. Instead, venture into the smaller streets to discover hidden gems where locals love to eat. Daytime delights versus evening extravagance. Amsterdam's food scene caters to all tastes and budgets. Consider having your main meal during lunch hours when many places offer affordable lunch specials. If you plan to indulge in a more lavish dinner, be prepared to spend a bit more. Keep an eye out for early bird specials or fixed-price menus offered by certain restaurants. Food markets for the win. For a budget-friendly and eclectic food experience, head to one of Amsterdam's bustling markets. Albert Kuipmarkt and Food Holland are two favorites. You'll find a variety of delicious, affordable bites that won't break the bank. It's a feast for your taste buds and your wallet. Penny-wise picnics. Enjoying a meal with a view doesn't have to cost a fortune. Grab some goodies from local markets or supermarkets and have a delightful picnic in one of Amsterdam's picturesque parks like Vondelpark. It's a budget-friendly way to savor the flavors of the city while taking in its natural beauty. Befriend the lunch specials. Many restaurants in Amsterdam offer lunch specials, providing a cost-effective way to enjoy a hearty meal. Check out the chalkboard menus or ask the staff about any lunchtime deals. This way, you can relish the local cuisine without burning a hole in your pocket. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. With these tips, you'll be navigating Amsterdam's culinary landscape like a seasoned traveler. Remember, Amsterdam has a dish for every palate and a price point for every budget. Dive in, explore, and savor the delicious journey that awaits you in this enchanting city. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel where you will find a whole host of interesting videos about Amsterdam. Discover hotels, accommodations, and the best attractions in Amsterdam right now at amsterdamhoteldeals.nl by clicking the link in the description below.